Today, we're diving into an exciting project where we'll build an SEO Chrome Extension app using Chat, and I'll show you how I generated a passive income stream with it. So grab your coding hats and let's get started. In this project, we'll be using JavaScript as our main programming language. Along with HTML and CSS for the user interface, we'll be leveraging the power of Chat OpenAI's text-based model to create some advanced features. First, you'll need to install Node.js and Visual Studio Code, or any code editor you prefer. I'll provide links in the description below. My personal recommendation is Visual Studios because it gives you a lot more freedom than Node's. Let's start by creating the basic structure of our Chrome extension, including the manifest file and pop-up HTML. Here's how you do it. A journey of creativity and innovation begins with the right set of tools. This stage will equip us with the essentials needed to craft our SEO Chrome Extension app. First, install Node's and Visual Studios. This is our backend environment where we can run JavaScript. Visit Node.js official website and download the installer for your operating system. Run the installer. Following the prompts and accepting the default configurations, verify the installation by opening a command prompt or terminal WI. Next, we have Visual Studios from Microsoft, a robust code editor tailored for web development. Download Visual Studio Code from the official website, install it, and upon opening, explore the Extensions tab to find and install useful extensions for JavaScript development, such as ESLint or Prettier. Now that we've decided on a location for our extension, it's time to integrate ChatGPT into our app. As we journey further into the development of our SEO Chrome extension, we reach a pivotal point. Chat, an AI-driven model by OpenAI, awaits us. It will serve as our intelligent assistant, offering insights, generating keywords, and analyzing SEO patterns. Before we can communicate with Chat, we must obtain the key to its virtual gateway, the API key. Before we can communicate with Chat, we must obtain the key to its virtual gateway, the API key. Visit the OpenAI platform, sign up or log in, and navigate to the API keys section to create a new key. Keep this key secure. It's your unique credential to access Chat. Since our extension will run client-side, we'll need a server to handle the requests to OpenAI. In your project directory, create a new file called server.js. Write the basic structure of a Node.js server using Express. ChatGPT will help you with Chat seamlessly integrated. A new horizon of opportunity unfolds before us. We'll now delve into constructing the central features of our extension, the SEO tools that provide users with insights and control. We've built the SEO features that form the backbone of our extension. With the aid of Chat, we are able to provide valuable insights and suggestions to enhance users' SEO performance. Our tool is now taking shape, ready to revolutionize the world of online marketing. The next phase of our journey awaits, where we'll test and refine these features, ensuring they're ready to fulfill their purpose. With the core of our application built, it's time to turn our attention to bringing users to our tool. Generating $1,744 requires a well-crafted strategy to attract free traffic from various sources. Here's how you can harness the same channels I used, such as social media, SEO-optimized blog posts, and online communities. We focused on platforms where SEO and marketing communities thrive, such as LinkedIn, Twitter, X, and Facebook groups. We shared insightful posts, how-to guides, and showcased the unique features of your Chrome extension. Engage with users by responding to comments, asking questions, and creating community-driven content. We create the post simple with Canva. If you liked the part so far, I would be happy about a like and a subscription so that I don't miss any more experiments. For our traffic stream, we tested our own extension and analyzed hundreds of keywords based on our audience. Now comes the best part. I saved this part at the end for my loyal subscribers who will stay tuned to the end. I will now show you what I have taken based on various premium subscription models. I will now show you what I have taken so far based on various premium subscription models. The earnings from our SEO Chrome extension app aren't accidental. They result from a meticulously crafted strategy that aligns with the needs of our users and leverages various monetization channels. We offer basic SEO analysis tools free of charge To attract a broad user base, we introduce advanced features and functionalities for a fee, converting a percentage of free users into paying customers. We create tiered subscription plans catering to different user needs and budgets. The free version serves as an entry point for a wide array of users, making the extension accessible to anyone interested in SEO. The premium version should provide sophisticated functionalities that cater to more serious SEO professionals and marketers. Determine a pricing structure that reflects the value provided, but also considers the budget constraints of different customer segments. Offering a trial period for the premium features could entice users to test and ultimately purchase the premium version. Creating multiple subscription levels allows you to cater to various user needs and budgets. Each tier should offer a clear value proposition, progressively unlocking more advanced features. Offering different payment frequencies, e.g., monthly, quarterly, yearly, provides flexibility and can appeal to different commitment levels. This project shows the power of combining different tools to create something unique and valuable. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy coding, and see you next time.